Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good night everyone. And let me introduce myself. My name is Masyauda Maharani. My number is 250508740026. And now I will presentation about segment 1 and check even or odd number. And this algorithm is great to use determine whether a number is even or odd. And this program works by asking the user to input a number, then the system processes the number and display the result. And the first is the main symbol which indicates the program is start. And next or second is integer and called number, and this variable is used to store the number entered by the user. And next, the output enter number, and this program displays the message enter number as an instruction for the user to input number. And next, input number. Then the user enters a number and the value is stored in the variable number. Next, after the number is entered, and the program perform a dissection process using the condition. And this I write number %2 equals 0. Why? Because the modulus operator or percent is used to find the remainder when a number is divided by 2. If the result is 0, it means the number can be divided by 2. So it is an even number. And the result is not 0, then the number is an odd number. First, output true. If the condition is true, the program displays the output sentence. This is an even number. And if the condition is false, the program display sentence. This is an odd number, which means the number is odd. And after result is displayed to use, the program will move to n, which indicates that the program has finished running. And now I try this program. Wait. Run. Yeah. First output enter number and I choose 8, can enter. Uh, this is an even number, this is a output because 8 is even number. Next, now I will presentation about assignment 2. This is a calculating area and perimeter of a rectangle. This program is designed to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. The program asks the user to input the length and width of the rectangle, then it calculates and displays the result. And the program starts from the uh, main, and this that the program starts, and the next uh, this this is a program declares de- declares several variables of the type real, which which are area, perimeter, length, width, and answer. And these variables are used to store numerical values that will be used in the calculation process. And next, uh, this output. Uh, After declaring the variable, the program displays a message: "Hello, I can help you calculate area and perimeter." And this message is informed to use uh, inform to user about the purpose of the program. And uh, and next, output again and uh, declare to enter the line. Nah, the user input the value and is it stored in variable line, and this user uh, input the variable line, and next uh, output and enter the width. The user then input the width, which is which is stored in the variable width, and, next after input length and width, uh, receiving the input values, the program perform the calculation and area of the rectangle using the formula area equals length time width, and the output area equals length time width times width. The program displays the result with the output area equals followed by calculate area value, and then next the program calculates the perimeter of a rectangle using the formula perimeter equals 2 times uh, length plus width. And next output parameter equals followed by the calculate parameter value. And after displaying the result of the program and the finish is and now I try this program in this segment too. Uh, and the first uh, this output uh, sentence, hello, I can help you calculate area and perimeter. And the second, enter the length. User input the variable of length. In this, I try with uh, I try with 4, enter, and enter the width. I use 5, enter, and yeah, uh, to output the and first area equals um, 20 and perimeter equals 18. Next, this is assignment 3 and final grade calculation. And this program decides to calculate a student's final grade based on the midterm test and final test scores. The program also determines whether the student passes or needs to repeat the course. And first is uh, only main symbol is the start the program, and next the program declares three variables of type real, which are the mid-test, final test, and final grade. And next output, and this I I use first sentence with welcome to the final grade calculation. Uh, this method is inform the user about the purpose the program. Then another method and the next output is first let's calculate the mid test and output output enter your mid test and this the user input the score and the value is stored in the mid-test variable. Then the program calculates the weighted midterm score using the formula. And the user input the score and next this formula for mid-test. Mid-test equals mid-test times 40 over 100. This means the midterm score contributes um, 40% to the final grade. And after calculation, the program displays the mid-test result. And next, uh, nah, um, output mid-test equals following by followed by this formula. And next, output again and sentence now. Enter your final test score. Nah, uh, this is stored in the final test variable and then calculate the weight final test score using the formula. This final test equals final test times 60 over 100. And uh, this means is final test is eh, yeah final test is contribute 60% to final grade. And after that, program display the final test result with this output. And next, this uh, final grade formula is mid test plus final test. Uh, Displays the result with, with the followed by the calculate mid test and final test. Then output, this is your final grade. This followed by calculate value. And next, after the calculate the final grade, the program checks a condition and two condition false and true. And uh, this input a final grade. A final grade must be greater than 80. Yeah. If condition is true, the program displays displays output status space. And if condition is false, the program displays status repeat. Uh, and the final program with and symbol. And now uh, I I try this program. Uh, First, uh, output welcome to the final grade calculation. And the second, first let's calculate the mid-test. Okay, next enter your mid-test score. Uh, uh, I input 76. This is my test score after 40%, and next now enter your final test score. I input 90, uh, and this output final test 54, and this calculate final grade. Final grade is mid test plus final test is 84.4, and this status is pass. Okay, thank you. That's my presentation about the assignment. Uh, Sorry if I can mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.